Exercise 13. It's a typical first-degree equation, and although we are allowed to use both our calculator, we are allowed to use Desmos as well. Believe me, the safest way and the quickest way in these cases would be by solving it by hand. So we have that 2x plus x equals 12. This is the same as 3x equals 12. What do we need to do in such an equation? We need to solve for x. How can we do that? By isolating x. So in this case, we need to get rid of 3. Since 3 is being multiplied, we will simply divide both sides by 3. This will make the 3's on the left to be simplified, and we will be just having x on that side. And on the other side, 12 over 3 is 4, which is the answer we were looking for.